Morning everyone, hope you're all okay. Right, I'm just coming on just to show you what I've ended up doing and putting inside these ephemera folders that I've shown you. I've made another couple as well. I'll leave the link to how I made the folder if you didn't see it, if you're interested. What I decided to do, I mean, these ones are, I'm just keeping them myself, they're not going out to anybody, so I'm not decorating the covers up or doing anything fancy. But to start with, I thought, oh, I'm not going to bother doing a closure, but I just wanted to yesterday. So I've just done it with some, and I've done a double layer. I don't know why I did that, but I did. Put some little eyelets in, some little heart eyelets. I don't know who sent me these, but thank you ever so much to whoever sent me them. I've had them a few years and I think I've just used the last two, but they're, well, then I used a round one on the back. I'm absolutely hopeless. I think it's the, because these heart-shaped ones, they went on lovely, but the cheap ones that I get, they're horrible to do. Yeah, so I've just been filling them with some little bits of pretty ephemeras and that. They're going to go, well, started to fill them. I've got to search out some more bits and bobs for some of them. So that was that one. Say I just tied, what I did with this one was looped it, did it, and then I've got two strands. But anyway, that was that one. Did the same on there here with the ribbon. I might actually take them out and do it and cut it in half and do it another way. I don't know. This one, I should be using some of these pieces today because I've got an ATC swap to do, to send out on Saturday with a lady that on Instagram. We're doing an ATC and ephemera swap. I just love these folders, they are so cool. And I know Evelyn Rossio, she's already done a couple. I can't wait to see your photographs, Evelyn. I say for these ones that I'm keeping, I'm not doing anything else on the front. I don't really know that they need anything else, but that's up to the individual what they want to do, isn't it? Oh, these ones, I thought, oh, I'm wasting a bit too much seam binding, so I just did a crude knot, did it like that, and I think that's just as good. And my paper people have got a home at last. I've used more or less all of my small ones up there, the few small ones. This is the little girls all in here. These are all the little girls. And it's just starting to rain. Oh, I wish we would get a storm. We've been forecast a storm for 2 or 3 days and it's not happened here yet, but it is raining now. Can you hear it? And there's this one. Just did the single one there again. And this is groups, couples and groups. Mostly, there's a little boy there, he wants taking out. He'd fallen out of his bedroom window. Oh, and a couple of bits there. Well, that is from that other ephemera pack. Yeah, so that's that one. And I made 2 more folders yesterday. This strawberry one. Still on that same paper pack, happiness or something, was it? Floral happiness? Can't remember what it was called. And these are boys and men in this one. Oh, I need to go and shut the windows soon. Well, the ones in my bedroom. Don't like having my bedroom windows open because I have tall units. Well, they're the same units that I've got in the craft room, but different colours, and I have, and they're right underneath the window, and I have all journals and junk journals that my lovely YouTube friends have sent me. And yeah, I would just cry if the rain came in and damaged them. So that's that one. And then the last one I did I do anything different? No, I don't think I did anything different with the pockets. Oh, I just did 2 pockets there instead of the 4. Oh, rain smells lovely. Oh, that little boy wanted to go in, didn't he? Pop him up there. There you go. Go with your buddies up there, look. These are such fun. And then there was this one. I started a different paper pad. Can't remember what it was called now, and I've put it away. It was a vintagey one. And I got this. I haven't got a lot of seam binding left. All these pretty colours I bought quite a few years ago, at least 3 or 4 years ago. I bought those on Etsy. But this isn't proper seam binding. It's what I bought from an UK eBay seller, and well, it's not the proper seam binding, but it was classed as seam binding, but it's just a bit different, and I can't remember what I did to it. But I obviously prettied it up with some sort. I don't know what I did. That's been done a while, but I think it's really pretty. I think it was just some probably ink pads that I put down and sprayed water on and just dipped it in. I've no idea really what I did, but I think it's really pretty colour. And there's nothing in this one. This one might be getting filled with some happy mail to go out. Well, that's my intention, but when that will be, I don't know, and I might put something else on the front. Again, I do not know. So that's all I wanted to show you, really. I'm just can't show you the other sides of these, you've already seen them anyway, but I'm just getting these ready to send out in my swap, and decided to send it in a pretty envelope, because the lady's sending hers in a pretty envelope, so I thought I would. I don't generally send in pretty envelopes. I don't know, this is the negative side of me coming out, I suppose, but I sometimes think that if there's something pretty, it's more likely to get, should we say, lost? Right, and taken, stolen, mislaid in the post. That was, I used to send, I have sent a lot of pretty envelopes, and then I don't know, I just thought, oh, I don't know, you know, probably they'll get lost or whatever. But anyway, it's nice to receive pretty envelopes, so I'm going to try and start sending pretty envelopes again. Yes, that's it, I think. I've got some, did have, where have they gone? Oh, I'm going to be doing some more coins, my 2-inch coins. Got those covered the other night. They're pretty. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, what I shall put on them. It won't be the same as these. Oh, that's the one I'm keeping. It won't be the same as these, but something like that, no doubt. Yes, and that is it for today, my lovely people. So take care and have fun, and I know a couple of you said you wanted to have a go at these, but they're really, I think they're brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. And I know, you know, as I say, I don't know if Tina watched anybody, whether it's her own design or what, but I know there's lots of different ephemera folders and that sort of thing, but it's been on my list of things to do for a while, so when I got one in my hands I thought, yes, I've really got to do it. Right, thanks ever so much, take care and have a lovely day, bye.